Davidson's All Natural Gym. I am touching what could be an alien monolith post that I think they sunk in the ground from a spaceship. You just shot down it. How much force to go 4 feet in the ground would it take from an alien spacecraft? Stay tuned, we're gonna find out. I'm gonna show you here, they could be lining up with the stars. We'll go over here and look at that. I mean, that could line up with like maybe north and south, maybe the North Star, maybe the Big Dipper. I don't know what constellation they're lining up. This kind of looks like a Big Dipper right here. You know, the whole thing. Maybe I can get an aerial shot of this or something. It kind of looks like a tunnel that they're like funneled into. Some kind of alien stuff is going on around here. These have got to be alien planted monoliths. They planted them around the edge of my pasture. I mean, look at the markings on this. It's almost like it was, split, struck by lightning or split in half. And look, that one has the exact same markings on it. It's got to be aliens. Has to be aliens. I think you were right. Who was it? Rusted Old Iron said that they were aliens. I think you are exactly right. That one has the same markings as this one. It's almost, I bet you they would line up if I put them together. Maybe an 1/8 of an inch difference from the saw blade. Oh. From whatever the aliens cut them with. But I mean, that could be some kind of a sign, ancient writing or something, ancient alien writing on my hedge posts that mysteriously appeared around the farm. They've just been appearing, a few of them every day. Look, there's some way out there. And look, there's one right there in the middle. Why would they put it in the middle? And then it seems to be a pattern. There's 3 way over there. And then way, way, way over there, there's 3 more at the corner. I don't know. Could be, it's got to be aliens, right? There's 2 close together there, and there's 2 close together there. And then there's a 3rd one. I don't know. It's got to be aliens. Aliens for sure. Look, it goes, this is almost like a straight line here for some reason. Almost straight. Look, that one's out. That one's out of whack, but those 3 look straight. I don't know. Probably lines up with the stars. I think they're Osage Orange. I haven't had them tested by any labs or anything yet, but I might have to take a piece off of this. If I can get it off, it seems to be excessively hard, so I'm not even sure it's wood. It seems to be really, really hard, but I think I can get up. There's like a little piece on here. Maybe I could send that to the lab. Maybe I could send that little flake to the lab, you think? You see that? Can you see that flake? I don't know, it looks like it was hit by some kind of a precise laser sawmill. I mean, cut with a laser, right? Doesn't look like sawmill shavings, does it? That was done something way more precise than the sawmill, I would think. We will probably send it to a lab, though. That's going to be high on the priority list, getting this sent to. Doesn't the FBI have an alien task force? They might have. I may have to send them to them. I don't know what's going on here. Stay tuned, we'll find out. Davidson's All Natural Gym. Like, subscribe. We'll be back. Follow this possible alien Osage Orange. Some kind of I don't even know that it's Osage Orange. It might be a mineral. It's not edible. I did try that. So we've got it, narrowed down to some kind of a mineral, I think. Like, subscribe, stay tuned.